Let's see the question number 7. What will be the output of the following code? We have here the string -28, and then we call the method zfill. We provide the number 4 as a parameter, and the options are A 0 -28, B -280, C -28, D -028, and finally E 0028. So let me open the terminal, and the answer is D -028. Let's understand this. First, zfill receives just one parameter, the width, and it returns a copy of the original string left filled with zeros to make a string with a length equals to the provided width. If the length of the original string is greater or equals to the provided width, we get the original string. Nothing is changed. As an example, we have this. This string have a length of 6. In the first case, we provide the number 6 as a width, so we get the same string. But in the second case, we provide the number 7, so we get a string with a 0 to the left. Now comes in the special rule. If our string have a leading sign prefix like a plus or a minus, it will be handled by inserting the padding after the sign character, after the plus or the minus. So this is why we get -028 instead of 0 -28.